Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is districts of Gujarat. Before getting into the districts of Gujarat, I like to have certain introduction of the state Gujarat. As you already know, Gujarat is a state in western India, sometimes referred to as the jewel of western India. It has an area of 1,96,024 square kilometer with a coastline of 1600 kilometer. The state is bordered by Rajasthan to the north, Maharashtra to the south, Madhya Pradesh to the east, and the Arabian Sea and Pakistani province of Sindh to the west. Its capital city is Gandhinagar, while its largest city is Ahmedabad. Gujarat is home to Gujarati speaking people of India. The Indian state of Gujarat has 33 districts, which we will learn through some short code. Kutch is the largest district of Gujarat. So Kutch is the largest district of Gujarat, while Dang is the smallest. Ahmedabad district has the highest population, while Dang has the lowest. Surat is the most densely populated district, while Kutch is the least. Now we are going to discuss the districts of Gujarat. Before coming to that, I like to have the past regarding the districts of Gujarat. In 1960, that is the year 1960, so Gujarat state was created on 1st May 1916 out of the 17th northern district of Bombay state. They are as follows: Ahmedabad, Amreli, Banaskantha, Bharuch, Bhavnagar, Dang, Jamnagar, Junagadh, Kheda, Kutch, Mehsana, Panchmahal, Rajkot, Sabarkantha, Surat, Surendranagar and Vadodara. So in 1916 it was created with 17 northern districts. In 1964 Gandhinagar was formed from the parts of Ahmedabad and Mehsana. In 1966 Valsad was split from Surat. And in 1997 there were major changes. That's 5 new districts were created on 2nd October 1997, that is on Gandhi Jayanti. Anand was split from Kheda, Dahod was split from Panchmahal, Narmada was split from Bharuch and parts of Vadodara, Navsari was split from Valsad, Porbandar was split from Junagadh. Now in year 2000, Pathan district was formed from parts of Banaskantha and Mehsana. In the year 2007, that is on October 2007, Tapi was split from Surat as that state's 26th district. So till now we came to know about 26 districts of Gujarat. Now in 2013, there were major changes. Again there were major changes. On 15th August 2013, 7 new districts were created. Aravali was split from Sabarkantha. Batod was split from was created from parts of Ahmedabad and Bhavnagar district. Chota Udaipur was split from Vadodara district. Devbhumi Dwarka was split from Jamnagar. Mahisagar was created from parts of Kheda and Panchmahal. Morbi was created from parts of Rajkot, Surendranagar and Jamnagar district. Gir Somnath was split from Junagadh. So that were the major changes which brought Gujarat into the present state. We are going to discuss about the divisions of Gujarat. Gujarat is divided into 4 divisions, and in these 4 divisions all the other districts are involved, all the other districts are included. So we are going to learn this divisions through a short code, that is central government NSS. That central government scheme's name is NSS, National Service Scheme. So central government NSS, that is central government National Service Scheme. So through this short code you can learn the divisions of Gujarat. Center stands for Central Gujarat, N stands for North Gujarat, S stands for Saurashtra, and another S stands for South Gujarat. Now we will discuss about the districts of Gujarat. Are with the districts of Gujarat that comes under the central division. To learn this districts of Gujarat which comes under central division, we have the short code, that is anybody can dance in Vadodara on Namak Panch. So if you are going to give a Namak Panch, so Namak, you know, it's a salt, and if you are going to give a salt punch in Vadodara to anybody, they can dance. So that is the sentence, anybody can dance in Vadodara on Namak Panch. Whatever which in a lower case, that is in and on, it is unimportant, you can avoid them. The font size is less, is lower, so you can avoid that portion. So the important is anybody can dance Vadodara Namak Panch. So without wasting time, we can go through the short code, that is letter to letter. A stands for Ahmedabad, B stands for Bharuch, C stands for Chota Udaipur, D stands for Dahod, Vadodara stands for Vadodara, N stands for Narmada, A stands for Anand, MA stands for Mahisagar, K stands for Kheda, and Panch stands for Panch Mahal. So that is all about the districts of central division, and I think we can learn this through the short code, anybody can dance in Vadodara on Namak Panch. So our next division is North division, which has some districts. So we have to learn this with the short code, that Banaskantha maps in Gandhinagar. So if you are finding the Banaskantha maps, you can get only in Gandhinagar, that is the capital of Gujarat. So Banaskantha maps in Gandhinagar. This is the short code which will help you to learn the district which comes under the North division of Gujarat. So Banaskantha maps in Gandhinagar. So Banaskantha stands for Banaskantha, and M stands for Mehsana, A stands for Aravali, P stands for Patan, S stands for Sabarkantha, Gandhinagar stands for Gandhinagar. And here in you can resemble it with north. So by this N you can learn that all these things is of the North division. So in whatever is in green, it will reflect you about the North division. You can learn that this short code is for the North division, districts of North division of Gujarat. So another short code we have, which is for the districts of Saurashtra division. So the short code is MD, that is the managing director, or SBBJ likes Jammu Kashmir grapes. So MD of SBBJ means State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur. SBBJ likes Jammu Kashmir grapes. So he is fond of Jammu Kashmir grapes. So M stands for Morbi, D stands for Devbhumi Dwarka, S stands for Surendranagar, B stands for Botad, another B stands for Bhavnagar, J stands for Jamnagar, another J stands for Junagadh, K stands for Kutch, G stands for Somnath, that is the grapes G, R stands for Rajkot, A stands for Amreli, P stands for Porbandar, that is the birthplace of our great honorable leader and our Mahatma Gandhi. So it is the the birthplace of our great leader, Honorable Mahatma Gandhi. S stands for, that is the last S stands for Swarashtra. So I already noted you that in the previous slides also, whatever is N, it denotes the division. Okay, so MD of SBBJ likes Jammu Kashmir grapes, in that is S stands for Swaraj division, so it will remind you that this short code is for the Swaraj division. So we will go to the next and the last division. So we are in the last division, that is the South division. So S and D TV. So S stands for two things here. One is for the South, so it will remind us that this short code is for the South division of districts of Gujarat, and another S, that is the district, that is Surat. So now NDTV, you are already aware of this channel. So N stands for Navsari, D stands for Dang, T stands for Tapi, and the last V stands for Valsad. So these all are the districts of Gujarat. I hope you enjoyed the video and I was able to give you certain codes to learn the districts of Gujarat. If you like the video, hit the like button, as it will inspire us to launch more videos. Share and subscribe, as it will inform you when we are going to launch our new videos. Don't forget to subscribe us, and thanks for watching.